So guys, the episode number 9 of Cave Fear is out now, and this is the second last episode of this series. And guys, what an episode it was. There were so much and so awesome reviews in this episode. I mean, we are in the really end game, and that's what we are going to talk about in this video. I will share my thoughts on all the events that happened and all the reviews that we saw in this episode. So if you don't want to miss any of that, watch the video till the end. So as we saw in the last episode that Anna is now all alone and she is going to find Crystal, and now in this episode she went there and she saw that the boat is gone, Crystal is not there, and after that she went Max Cady's father's house, and that confrontation was not good. Max's father was not a help at all, and after that Anna went to a bar, and being 17 years sober, I was feeling bad for her because she is now drinking again, and the problem she had before that after drinking she gets all the blackouts and all, and she drinks in this episode and she again got a blackout, and when she woke up she was on the boat of Crystal Cady, and she found that Crystal is sitting outside, and Crystal told Anna that she was clicking all the pictures of Max's doing all the bad things so that Max doesn't come after her. That's what she told Anna, but that is not true. She told Anna everything she knew about Max, and she brought her to the house of that lady who died in the first episode, who was supposedly the killer of Max's wife, and she confessed. That's why Max is out. So Anna went to the house and she found some pictures and she connected all the dots, and she found out that Max didn't kill his wife, and that's what I was thinking, because I know that Max is a horrible guy, he's a very bad guy, but there wasn't enough evidence to determine that he's the one who killed his wife, because he's getting all the flashbacks of his wife and he's hallucinating, and he's seeing his unborn child, and he's really doing all this to get revenge because he lost his wife and his son, and he lost his whole life, and that is why I think that Max didn't kill his wife, and that was true. It was Crystal Cady who killed Max's wife, and we found out that Crystal and Max had a physical relationship, and that weird boy who we saw in the 7th episode who was asking Natalie to kiss him, and that is the son of Crystal, and guess who's the father? Yes, Max Cady is the father. And we found out why Crystal killed Max's wife, because she was upset and she is still obsessed about Max, and she wants him back and she wants him for all herself. That is why she kind of kidnapped Anna so she can present her to Max, and Max can have his revenge, and after they can live together. And while all this reveals happened, Crystal gave Anna a very important detail, very important kind of evidence. She told Anna that Max was talking to her ex continuously from the prison, the one who died, who confessed that she killed Max's wife, and that lady kept all the recordings of their conversation, and it is on the pen drive, and Crystal has it. And while Crystal and her father and her son was trying to kill Anna, she got that evidence and she got out from that boat in time before Max arrived there, and that's where this episode ended. So this is what happened to Anna, what she discovered and all. On the other hand, Max is torturing Tom in the prison. He is blackmailing him to kill himself, otherwise he will hurt his children, Zach and Natalie. And now Zach ran away from the hospital and we don't know where he is, and when Tom found out, now he is considering to kill himself, and that is really insane because he doesn't know that Anna has the proofs now. And on the other hand, Natalie redeemed herself for me. She killed it, and she made me happy. Whatever she did in the past episode, it's all gone, because whatever she did in this episode, she is in the juvenile home with Nevea, and Nevea was going to kill her because Max ordered her to kill Natalie, and then he will get her out from the juvenile home. But Nevea is now having second thoughts because she knows that Max is using her and all, and that is why she decided not to kill Natalie. But that's where Natalie played her master stroke. She played Nevea and she beat Nevea in her own game in manipulation and seduction and all, and she stole that phone, the phone that Nevea was calling Max with. So she got that phone, and because of that she called the colleague of Anna, and she got the bail, and she got the phone and she went out with that phone. So now they have two proofs. They can connect the dots that Nevea was following orders of Max, and they also have all the call recordings where Max manipulated his ex and convinced her to kill herself and leave a testimony that she was the one who killed Max's wife. So this episode was awesome, and I can't wait to watch what happens in the final episode, because I am really worried about Tom, what is going to happen to him, and I'm really looking forward to watch how Anna is going to reveal the whole game of Max's. And I am still worried because there is still one murder that nobody knows about, the mother of Nevea. Nobody found her body, and nobody knows that she is dead now. And I don't know if Max knows or not, because I think that Crystal was the one who killed Nevea's mother, and I don't know what's going to happen, but I am really excited for the final. So what about you guys? Are you excited for the finale? And if you have seen this episode, please share your thoughts about it in the comment box below. And if you can, write a small review about it too, because I would love to know your thoughts about it. So guys, that's all in this video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care.